mother was actually pleasantly surprised. So I guess there's a rare bird in here.
A rare bird? What is that?
I don't know what. I don't remember.
That one right there looks pretty fluffy, but he's like crushed. Come on, wake up, guy. All right, let's get these into the. Oh, that's the rare one right there.
I think.
Whatever that is. Oh, it's a nice bird. Fluffy one. Oh. These chickens seem more tamed.
They are.
Yeah. Like
But they're still a baby.
yeah. All right. Let's get this thing carried in then. Hey, Anna, what's going on? Everybody, welcome to the Fermented Homestead. Malachi just got back. The new flock of birds. Wife just got back from the kitchen. Yeah. Hey, hi, wife. How you doing? Here she is, right here.
Here I is.
Zoom in. Zoom out. All right, we're getting ready to head back in, do some things.
That is not what I heard.
That's exactly what I said. What did you think I said?
I heard. Where have you been?
No! That is not a part of my language. No, I definitely said punk. P-U-N-K.
Okay.
I would never call somebody that unless it was truly justified and I had the sanctity of mind to actually remember to use that awful word.
Yeah, unfortunately, me and Josh use it somewhat often.
That's a terrible word.
What are we gonna do with these birds?
I don't even remember the last time I used that word.
Huh?
You gonna get these out tonight? They going in?
Yeah, as soon as it starts to get dark.
Okay.
So they'll marinate, because we got these little ones in here too.
Oh.
But these ones are used to these little ones, obviously, but the 4 or 5 that are in there are not used to them. So we got to get them like right at dark so that they'll all be asleep. And then it's a weird thing with chickens. If you put them all in like after they've already gone to bed or gone to sleep, they'll wake up in the morning and it's like, okay, this is normal. It's weird. But if you do it during the day, no matter how many sleeps they have, it won't be normal and they'll just fight. But if you put them in there after dusk, like after they've already settled in for the night, they're already ready to go to sleep, it's just like they wake up and it's their new normal. They don't even question it. It's so weird.
These chickens are still a little chickened out over the disaster that happened a few days back.
That's what they told him last time, and they lied through their frickin' nasty brown tea.
Okay, you're gonna
They
have to
told him
edit
he
some
could
of
be
that out.
stationed in Washington. He wasn't. They told him he'd go to Hawaii. You didn't.
You have to edit some of that out.
Oh yeah, I'll edit a lot. Sure, there's a red dot. Okay. That guy there, I think he's a rooster. He's got a really cool comb. It's like all like fluffy and stuff. They need water.
Yeah, I got water ready.
And I think the red one is also a rooster.
Yeah.
That one's definitely a rooster. Look, I think that's a Barndefelder. I think that's what it's called.
Barndefelder.
I think so. It might just be a hybrid. These are pretty. Oh, she's getting pet. And there's a Polish.
There's this little brown stripe right down here.
I think that's a silver laced Wyandotte.
Silver lace.
I think, because I know that was on the list. There's a silver and a gold, and I think that's a silver. And that's a lavender Orpington, gray one. Not the rooster, but the one. We gotta get these guys some water until we're ready to get them out. They're all painted.
Wait, a little bit longer. It was like last year. Or a little bit after last year. Oh, really? For how long? Oh, nice.
So we'll just wait until sunset.
I'm
He is sweating like crazy, and we're all getting attacked by bugs. So let's go inside until it's time to put them away. You want to put them in there? Or close the door? Now? So we'll be back in about an hour.
That power. Let me show you the power on that. Yeah. There you go. There we go. One more. Yeah.
You got them.
Yes, I did. Let me go check this out real quick. Got some potatoes inside the Prep for Life cube freeze dryer. Some red ones down here. Some white ones up here. What's going on? Fiona.
Pitcher?
The plastic pitcher?
Yeah.
Oh, what were we using that for?
Well, it was out in the greenhouse, but I just brought it inside because I want to use it for the Berkey. Oh, there it is.
Got it.
Thank you.
What are you doing right now?
I'm trying to fill up the Berkey.
Oh, okay.
Because our well is poisonous, and I get very
It's not that
sick.
bad, is it? Is it
It's
bad?
bad for me. I don't know how you guys didn't get sick from it.
Oh.
I was getting sick for months, and I could not figure out what it was. Honestly, I thought I had alpha-gal. And then I got my well tested and discovered that it was not, in fact, alpha-gal, thank God, because 98% of what I eat is beef. But in fact, it was the well, and I started filtering it through the Berkey. Not sponsored, not an ad, not nothing, but started filtering it through the Berkey, and now I can drink water. With your own selves?
I don't know.
Because for me, it was very noticeable. Like, I thought I was going to vomit.
Yeah.
And we have it in there because Robert is crazy, driven absolutely crazy by anything on the counter.
That's right.
Which drives me crazy every once in a while, but I get it.
There you go. I'm a little bushed. Waiting for sunset. Gotta get those chickens out. Yeah. No, it is. I don't know. I usually take naps about this time. The past couple of days I have been doing that on my days off, so. But today's a little different. Yes. Let's see what the wife's doing. What you doing?
I'm attempting to figure out if and how I can register my commercial kitchen with the FDA. So much fun. But on the bright side, though, I did get my inspection that I've been waiting forever for, and it's going to happen on Wednesday. And there's a whole bunch of people coming. This is probably the most unattractive angle in the history of the entire world. Thanks, Robert.
I tried my best. Yeah, well, see you outside.
She might not have been in there when she's in home. She's in there?
She was in there.
Why don't you grab her so we can... Oh, I see. Oh, you're blocking her off so she can't get out.
Yeah.
See? What are you thinking? Did you see that?
Gotta get the other one.
What other one? Oh, wow.
Relax.
Who's that?
It's okay.
the 5th one that survived the raccoon attack, and she survived by hiding out in the duck pen, and we didn't find her for like 2 days afterwards. She was just hiding in there. So we're gonna join her back with her flock.
This one's horrified.
She's seen things. Bad things.
Malachi's, I think.
It's got chicken poop on it from when we picked up the birds. She's still chirping. There's some little guys in there.
Yeah. Are you home?
Oh, they're really little. I hope they're going to be okay.
They'll be okay.
There's a gold lace Wyandotte too. Gold lace and a silver lace. And one Polish. Uh-oh.
Hey.
They got wings. Oh, that's the one you got.
Oh, it's only there. They're coming out.
I'm trying not to put too much light in the actual coop. He's so fluffy. No. I'm trying to stop it.
All right, they'll figure it out.
They'll get up there. There's the 4 OGs. They're just like, screw that. I'm gonna hang out up here. There's no light.
Got it.
Got it done. The flock has been reinstated.
Yeah.
Malachi came through on his promise. Here's the meat. You ready for a shower?
Yep. I'm ready.
You gotta end the video. It's your video.
Peace out, sauerkraut.
He's melting.